Alright. What's in my girlfriend's fridge? First thing you see is ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise, ranch, sauce, light sour cream, regular sour cream, guac, salsa, fireball, protein shake, milk, beer.
Fireball is not mine.
Yeah, beer, coffee, Gatorade, ginger ale, a single potato, some tiny potatoes, one wrap, eggs, cottage cheese, Gatorade, water, more water, chicken things, spinach, cheese, lettuce. Already looked in there. Blueberries, chicken, onion, olives, butter. Alright. What's in the freezer? You got Lean Cuisine, a froze packet, more freezer things, burritos, chicken. Look at all that ice cream. A TV dinner, another TV dinner, frozen shrimp, chicken. They're all frozen vegetables. Artichoke hearts. Ew. Broccoli. Spinach. Squash. I'm not mixing it up. Quinoa spinach. Quinoa. Whatever. And rice cauliflower. Nasty. That's it. Oh yeah. Smucker's strawberry jam. A1 sauce. And Worcestershire sauce, however you pronounce it.
Oh my God.
Alright, that's it.